This is Planet Pulse for Friday, December 10th. The moon is in Aquarius today. I'm Jeff Jower.
And I'm Rick Levine. Aquarius is considered to be an intellectual sign, even though it's an air sign. It's about
But its name is the water bearer.
I know that's the that's the confusing thing
Tricky.
about it's tricky. But if you think about it, air can be moist. And when air contains water, it conducts electricity. When air is dry, you get that static, electricity discharge because dry air doesn't conduct water. When air is moist, it conducts water, and it's like our nervous system. Thoughts are airy, and yet it needs moisture in order to actually make the connections. And so what's interesting about Aquarius, you're right, it's the water bearer, but it's an intellectual, mental air sign. And today, the planet that is associated often with intellectual or mental functioning, Mercury, the planet of the mind, the messenger planet, has reached a point where it is no longer moving forward. It turns retrograde today, which is an indrawing or a pulling in of our mental functions, and it happens on this day of this weird, quirky Aquarius moon.
Yeah, Mercury turns retrograde or apparently backwards from our perspective here on Earth 3 times a year for about 3 weeks at a time. The communication planet's powers then seem to be inhibited. There are more communication difficulties with details, but it is still a period of time, the next 3 weeks, when we can tie up loose ends. And in fact, today, in spite of the fact that Mercury is turning retrograde, which may complicate conversations, it does form a harmonious sextile with charming Venus. So even if we sound dumb, we should look good.
Yeah, I think you're right. I think we look good. We can be charming. Our intellectual faculties may be messed up, but somehow they turn around enough that it still comes out looking good, sounding right, and we can win the object of our affections, or we can say something in a way that sounds nice, even if we get the facts wrong. I'm Rick Levine.
And I'm Jeff Jower, reminding you to join us here tomorrow and every day on Planet Pulse.